The allure of collecting figures. What makes figure collecting so captivating? For many, it's the thrill of owning a tangible piece of their favorite universe. Figures bring characters to life, allowing us to display our fandom proudly. Each figure tells a story, capturing the essence of its character in detailed craftsmanship. But it's not just about owning a figure. It's about the joy of the hunt, searching for that rare piece to complete a set or discovering a figure you didn't even know existed. Collecting figures can be nostalgic, taking us back to the moments we cherish, or it can be a way to stay connected with new and evolving fandoms. Types of figures. The world of figures is vast and diverse. You'll find everything from action figures and statues to vinyl collectibles and model kits. Action figures, with their movable parts, are perfect for those who enjoy posing their figures in dynamic scenes. Statues, often highly detailed and meticulously crafted. Vinyl collectibles, like Funko Pops, offer a stylized and often cute take on beloved characters. For those who love to build, model kits provide a rewarding hands-on experience, assembling characters from scratch. Whether you prefer the realism of a detailed statue or the charm of a vinyl figure, there's something for everyone in the world of figure collecting. Tips for collecting. Ready to start or grow your collection? Here are some tips to help you on your journey. First, focus on what you love. It's easy to get overwhelmed with the sheer variety of figures available, so start with characters or series that mean the most to you. Next, set a budget. Collecting can get pricey, especially with rare and limited edition figures. Decide what you're comfortable spending and stick to it. Don't forget to research. Join online communities, read reviews, and learn about the different types of figures and manufacturers. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and spot authentic pieces. Lastly, take care of your collection. Proper storage and handling will ensure your figures remain in pristine condition, preserving their value and beauty. The community of collectors. One of the most rewarding aspects of collecting figures is the community. Connecting with fellow collectors can be inspiring and educational. Sharing tips, showcasing your collection, and discovering new figures together enhances the experience. Online forums, social media groups, and local meetups are great places to start. You'll find people who share your passion and enthusiasm, creating a sense of camaraderie and support. Conclusion. Collecting figures is more than just amassing objects. It's about celebrating the stories and characters that have touched our lives. Whether you're just starting or you've been collecting for years, there's always something new to discover and enjoy. So, keep exploring, keep collecting, and most importantly, keep celebrating your passions through these amazing figures. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy collecting!